Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide a drive partition on Windows 10 PC. Suppose you want to hide this one E drive from your Windows 10 PC, then click on this one start button and type here disk management. In the search results, click on this one, create and format hard disk partitions. In the disk management window, select the partition or volume you want to hide, then right click on it, select this one option, change drive letters and paths, then click on this one remove button. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Windows will now hide that partition from File Explorer. As you can see on the my screen, E drive is no more accessible in File Explorer.